So what we're given here is a scatter plot, and what it's asking us to do is evaluate two things. It's asking us to determine whether there's a weak or a strong correlation, and then whether it's a positive or negative correlation. So let's take those two things. So weak versus strong. Well, if the dots in the scatter plot tend to form a straight line, and you can see a good relationship here, that is a strong correlation. So this one has a strong correlation. Now, whether it's positive or negative has to do with the slope of the line. This is an increasing function, meaning going from left to right, it's going up, it's increasing. That is a positive correlation, which is also known as a positive slope. So this is a scatter plot that shows a strong positive correlation. Keep it up and you will master the math.